Okay, so this video is looking at a combination of everything we've done so far. Oftentimes you go to the store and something might be on sale, but you still have to pay tax on those items. So rarely will you ever see something that's discounted and you just have to pay the discount price. So this handout is all about calculating discounts and tax together. Okay, so whenever you have a problem, the first thing you want to do is calculate the discount price first. Okay, don't calculate your tax first because you only pay tax on the sale price. So we're going to figure out what that cheaper price is and then we'll calculate the tax afterwards. Okay, so always do tax last. So Miss Vankovic, who is a friend of mine who made these handouts, Miss Vankovic would like to purchase a new MacBook Pro. The original price is $2,349.99. She receives a 25% teacher discount, which is not real. I wish it was. What would the final cost of the MacBook Pro be after tax? Okay, this question asks you for an estimation. I don't think we're quite there yet. I think it might be tough for us to calculate or estimate what that percent would be. I do want you to think about how big should this number be. So if our original price is $2,349.99, I think it's pretty safe to say the tax isn't going to be $5, right? Or our discount isn't going to just be $5, right? It's probably going to be a large number. So you're probably going to save a lot of money, but you're also probably going to pay a lot of money in taxes. So keep that in mind when you're calculating this. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to calculate the discount first. So that's our first step that we'll do over here. Okay, and if you forget how to calculate discount, go back to the other video or look at your handout before to remind yourself. So that first step, we're going to take our 25% discount there and we're going to change that into a decimal by dividing by 100. Okay, the next thing we want to do is take our original price and multiply by that decimal we got. Okay, plug that into your calculator and you should get $587.49. Okay, that's a pretty sweet discount. If you get to save almost $600, that's awesome. Next, we want to look at what the new price of the laptop would be. So we're going to take off that discount. Right, we're taking the discount away because that's how much we get to save. And in total, the MacBook will only be $1,762.50. Okay, awesome. But we have not calculated our tax yet, so that is not our final answer. That's not how much we will actually spend. Okay, so the next step that we'll do over here is calculate tax. Okay, so the first step, calculating tax, take our 13%, divide by 100. Okay, our next step, we're going to take this new, what we'll call original price, right? That new price there is what we're going to calculate our tax on, not the original price. Okay, we're calculating on our sale price. So we're going to take $1,762.50. We're going to multiply that by 0.13. Okay, and you will have to spend, or Miss Vankovic will have to spend $229.13. We have to round that 5 up there. So $229.13 just in tax. Okay, last step, we take our new original price, that discount price there. We're going to add the tax onto it. And your total bill in the end, $1,991.62. Sorry about that, mistake there. Okay, so this is the actual price of the laptop. So the MacBook will cost $1,991.62 after taxes. So first we took off the discount, we got our new price here, we calculated the tax on that new price and added it on to the new price, and that gave us our total bill with discount and tax. Okay, so this one's a little more complicated. There's more steps here. Please make sure you're keeping track of what your first original price is and then your discount price. Let's do this last one together here. Okay, you would like to purchase 5 t-shirts, each with an original price of $18.99. 2 of the shirts have been marked down, so only 2 have been marked down 50% in price due to damage. What would the total cost be for all 5 shirts after tax and discount? Okay, so we got to do a couple different calculations here. So our first one, let's figure out what the 2 discounted shirts will be. So let's just find out, if I had 1 shirt and I took 50% off, what would that discounted price be? So again, I take my 50% and divide by 100, and that will give me 0.50. I take my original price of $18.99 and multiply it by 0.50. That will give you a savings of $9.50. So that's what you're going to save on each of those 2 shirts. Okay, our next step here. So we're going to take our original price. We're going to subtract what we're going to save. And that is going to give me $9.49. Okay, so this is just the price for 1 discounted shirt. Oops. Okay, the next thing we want to do is let's find our total bill now. Okay, so I gotta find the total for all 5 shirts. So I have 3 shirts for $18.99. I have 2 shirts for $9.49. Oops. Okay, and we are going to add that up on our calculator. And you should get a grand total of $75.95. Okay, that's what your total bill would be if there was no tax yet. So that's including your discount. Okay, the last step is we need to find our tax. So calculate tax. Okay, we know that our tax is 0.13 for our decimal, so I'm not gonna write that step out. Okay, if you choose to do the shortcut here and multiply by 1.13 like the last video, go for it. Okay, I'll write out the steps in full. So I'm going to take this total bill after I've added all my shirts together. I'm going to multiply by 0.13. And you should get a tax of $9.87. Okay, we're rounding that down. So let's add that all together now. $75.95 plus $9.87 in tax. And our total bill for all of the shirts is $85.82. Okay. Whew. That was a lot of math. Okay, lots of steps in those questions. Okay, I know those are a little more complicated. Again, you really just need to make sure that every time you calculate a new number, you always know what the number means, right? So every time you see this, you know what this means compared to what this means. Okay, so pay really close attention to what those numbers mean and you should be just fine. So go ahead and work on those next problems there. I will be checking that all of those get done. So again, if you're not getting them done in class, make sure you're spending a little bit of time at home getting caught up if you need extra time. That's it. Good luck.